I'm really excited about announcing this partnership with Silver Lake. This is fantastic. It's a strong endorsement of our success with Helix strategy, our growth strategy. And we've got a partner who here is the best and best of the best with technology investment and very successful with this PIPE model, which is basically private investment in a public equity. And with companies like Motorola, Airbnb, Twitter, UiPath. And so, their focus is totally on growth. And that's why for us at this stage, after 3 years in our transformation, when we have successfully shifted our company towards subscription and SaaS, started bringing it back onto growth. Remember, our company had not grown for 8 years. And now we believe the acceleration is going to be possible together with Silver Lake as a partner. So that's where we are. We just announced the partnership, and I'm excited to get on this journey now.
Just how hands-on do you think Silver Lake will be? Because they're well known for their expertise, but also specifically their relationships in the sector. Is it about the connections they bring, or do you think they're going to be incredibly hands-on with the strategy as well?
Look, Karen, they have phenomenal expertise in the industry software as well as, understanding the transformation that we are doing. We are getting two real strong transformation experts, Christian Lucas, who's the MD of EMEA, co-chair of EMEA, and we're also getting Jim Whitehurst, who is the ex-CEO of Red Hat. So we're bringing two very experienced senior execs onto our supervisory board that will be heavily involved in shaping the next phase and also helping us ways of accelerating. One of the areas very much our presence in North America. As you know, we've been building that, and now we're going to even further accelerate that. The second thing really is the mergers and acquisition program, and we've been working towards getting the company to a position where now we can combine our organic growth with inorganic, and we believe together with Silver Lake we can really accelerate this.
Sanjay, always a pleasure speaking to you. Thanks for joining us this morning. Look, you said now the strategy is going to really focus with Silver Lake on growth, which begs me the question and makes me ask, what was the strategy if it wasn't on growth beforehand?
Hey, Steve. I said accelerate growth. I did not say the first, because the strategy of Helix was to build sustainable, profitable growth, and that's what we have been achieving over the last 3 years. So we've shifted the business to a recurring revenue model. Today, 88% of our product revenue is recurring. We've been delivering consistent double-digit growth in our recurring revenue, annual recurring revenue. We've been winning quite successfully with our total cloud-native portfolio, which we have fully transformed. So all these great blocks of our transformation are now in place. And what we are now doing is the next step of Helix, which is accelerating it. So, the strategy doesn't change. It is still the same strategy, sustainable, profitable growth. Now is the next phase, which is basically acceleration, which is a combination of organic and inorganic.
All right, fair enough. Good answer. Look, you know what I'm like, and you know how pedantic I am about share prices. Just tell me why your shares are still 25% below their peak of the last 5 years, which they hit in early January 2018.
Look, Steve, the point is we are undergoing a massive transformation. And if you think about it, this company is totally different from what we were 3 years ago. We were a total perpetual software sales business, which was not growing 0% or negative. Today, we are 88% recurring revenue business. We're growing double digit. We have changed the entire product portfolio to a cloud native product portfolio. We're winning in the market and competing very effectively. So, it's a totally different company. Obviously, we have to go through this transformation. And, I am not focused on the short term. I'm focused on the long term as how we are building and creating the success of this company.